What's going on, my fellow photoshoppers? It's Conti here with another photoshopping tutorial. In today's video we are going to have a go at creating an alien silhouette using Synthwave art, so Photoshop windows open at the ready please. Go to File and New. In this particular tutorial I'm going to use a canvas that is 900 pixels wide and 600 pixels high. The background will be transparent. Click OK. Press Shift and Backspace in your new file. Change the field contents to black. Click OK. Go to your rectangular marquee tool. Go to create a new layer. Rename this layer Beam. Rename your original layer Background. Go back to your beam layer. Go to Window and ensure that info is ticked. Using your rectangular marquee tool, left click just above the canvas about a quarter of the way across from the left hand side of your canvas. Drag your mouse cursor down. Note that I'm also using the info window to see how wide this particular selection is. I'm going to have it set at roughly 16. Once it's at this number, I'm going to let go of my left mouse button to make a selection. With your beam layer still selected and the selection in the middle of your canvas, hold Shift and press Backspace. In the Contents Use box, go to Color. Enter the following code as your color, FEC003. Click OK. Click OK again to fill in the selection with this particular shade. With your selection line still in the canvas, go to create a new layer. Rename this layer Purple Lines. Press Enter when you're done. Press Shift and Backspace. Go to Color once more in the Use box. This time enter the code AF09A0. Click OK. Click OK again. Press Ctrl and D to deselect. Ensure now that your foreground color is set to the same purple shade that we had in the previous step, and ensure that your background color is set to white. Should any of these be any different, simply double click on them and adjust the color like so. This is your foreground color and this is your background color. With your purple lines layer still selected, go to Filter and Filter Gallery. In the sketch options, choose halftone pattern. Size is 1, contrast is 5, pattern type is line. Ensure that only halftone pattern is visible. Click OK. In your purple lines layer still, go to your blending options, which says normal, and change to multiply. Go to your eraser tool. The size of the eraser in this particular example will be 800 pixels, soft round, opacity 60% and flow 100% in brush mode. Drag your mouse cursor to the top of your canvas so that half of the eraser circle is outside the top part of your canvas and the bottom half of the eraser circle is within the canvas. Left click once in the top right corner and repeat the same roughly in the top left corner. I'm going to click once more in the middle. Go to create a new layer. Rename this layer Pink Haze. Go to your brush tool. Your brush settings on this particular occasion here will be 300 pixels big, soft round, opacity 100, flow 100, mode normal. F90BE3. Inside your new Pink Haze layer, left click once in the middle of your canvas. Inside your Pink Haze layer still, go to Edit, Transform and Warp. Drag the two vertical bars in the middle of your selection outwards, just beyond the two white circle points on each side. Repeat this process twice to create a wide haze effect. Press Enter. Go to your selection tool. Drag your pink haze down to the bottom of your canvas. In order to erase any unwanted pink haze sections outside of your yellow beam, simply hold Ctrl, Remember, as a Mac user, to use Command instead of Control or Option instead of Alt. Left click on the beam thumbnail. Your pink haze layer should still be selected. Press Ctrl, Shift and I to select the black sections on either side of the beam and press Delete. Press Ctrl and D to deselect. Open up your free alien image. Go to select your Magic Wand tool. Left click anywhere on the black background apart from the bottom reflection or on the eyes. Now go to select your Quick Selection tool. Ensure that the selection tool is set to Add to Selection. And left click on either ankle in the reflection towards the bottom of the picture. This should ensure that the feet in the reflection aren't selected. Left click again for any section below to make sure it is not part of what we're selecting. We also need to make sure that selection goes around the head and not inside where the eye is here. Change the Add to Selection to Subtract from Selection with your Quick Selection tool. The size of this brush tool I'm using is currently 91. Drag your mouse cursor inside the head with the right side of the circle touching the right side of the face. Left click once to make a selection around the head. Press Ctrl, Shift and I. Go to create a new layer. Inside this new layer, press Shift and Backspace. In the Use box, select Black. Click OK. Press Ctrl and C to copy. Return to your Alien Silhouette project window and press Ctrl and V to paste your alien silhouette in a new layer. Press Ctrl and T on your keyboard to select the free transform tool. Drag your mouse cursor up to one of the top corners. Hold Shift on your keyboard. Left click when the arrows are pointing diagonally. Drag your mouse cursor down, holding the mouse button down. I'm going to reduce the size of my particular alien silhouette to roughly 43% for both height and width. Let go of Shift, let go of the left mouse button when you're done, press Enter. Drag your pink haze layer up above your alien layer. Rename your alien layer Alien. Press Enter. Right click on your alien layer and go to Duplicate Layer. You can call this Alien Copy, click OK. Double click to the side of the Alien Copy layer name to open up the Layer Style window. Select Inner Glow. The settings for your inner glow should be hard light set as the blend mode, opacity 75%, noise 0. The color, if you double click on the box, will be the same as the pink haze layer, F90BE3. Technique soft source edge, choke 0%, size 5 pixels. Quality contour can stay the same. Range 50%, jitter 0%. Click OK. Right click on your alien copy layer and go to Convert to Smart Object. Right click on the alien copy layer and choose Rasterize Layer. Go to select your eraser tool. My eraser tool options for this one here will be 150 pixels as the size, soft round, hardness 0, mode brush opacity 75% and flow 100%. In the alien copy layer, left click, hold your mouse button down and drag your mouse cursor over the head and the top of the shoulders to erase the pink lines there. Keep the underarms glowing as well as the sides of the arms. Reduce the opacity of the pink haze layer to 90%. Thank you very much for watching. Hope that video was useful to you. To support this channel, please like and subscribe. Join me soon for another tutorial. Take care.